In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show toolbar or ribbon bar in Outlook. If your Outlook looks bare or you're missing familiar buttons, chances are the ribbon is simply collapsed. The ribbon is the strip across the top with tabs like Home and Insert, and the commands underneath. I'll show you how to bring it back in both Classic Outlook and the new Outlook or Outlook on the web. Let's start with Classic Outlook. Look toward the lower right corner of the ribbon area. You'll see a small arrow icon, sometimes pointing up or down. Click that arrow, then choose Always Show Ribbon or Show Tabs and Commands. Always Show Ribbon keeps everything visible. Show Tabs and Commands also expands the full set of buttons so you can see your tools without extra clicks. If you prefer a quick toggle, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus F1. Pressing it once collapses the ribbon to just the tabs. Pressing it again brings back the commands. This is great when you want more vertical space, then quickly return to a full toolbar. You can also double-click any tab name, like Home or Insert. Double-clicking collapses the commands. Double-click again to expand them. It's a simple gesture that works the same way across tabs, so if your ribbon disappears unexpectedly, try double-clicking a tab to bring it back. Another handy option is to right-click a tab. In the menu that appears, choose Collapse the ribbon to hide the commands. If it's already collapsed, uncheck that option to show them again. This is essentially the same toggle, just accessed from the tab's context menu. Now, for the new Outlook or Outlook on the web. When the ribbon is minimized here, you'll typically see only the Home tab with a few icons and 3 dots in the top right corner. You might also notice a small down arrow near that area. Click the 3 dots or click the Home tab to temporarily reveal more commands. This lets you see what's available without changing your layout permanently. To keep the full toolbar visible, look for an option labeled Show Tabs and Commands. Depending on your version, you may see wording like Always Show Ribbon or Classic Ribbon. Select that option, and Outlook will display the full set of commands beneath the tabs by default, so everything is right where you expect it. That's all you need to restore the ribbon in both Classic and new Outlook. If it ever hides again, just use these same toggles to bring it back. Thanks for watching.